Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or... She doesn't sing, she doesn't act, she doesn't dance for views. Yet today, many people online boldly claim one thing. Odetta Rockhead-Kerr is the richest female Jamaican YouTuber alive. Millions watch her, thousands pay her, and some swear she changed their lives, while others online loudly say her methods don't work. So what's the truth? Today we break it all down. Welcome back to CCNWORL TV News, where we investigate power, money, and influence in Jamaica's digital world. This video presents public claims, online earning models, and observable digital evidence. All income figures discussed are industry estimates based on digital product sales, subscriptions, affiliate systems, YouTube monetization, and global market reach. Now, let's talk about the woman many now call Jamaica's richest female YouTuber. Odetta Rockhead-Kerr was born into humble beginnings. No silver spoon, no celebrity parents, no industry connections. Her rise did not come from music, film, or politics. It came from digital education, automation, and online business systems. Today, her brand, Rockstar Academy, reaches a massive global audience across the United States, Canada, the UK, and the Caribbean. And that reach is where the money lives. Unlike entertainment YouTubers, who rely heavily on views and brand deals, Odetta operates in a high-ticket digital education economy. Her revenue streams reportedly include high-value online courses, paid mentorship programs, subscription platforms, affiliate commissions, automated business systems, private coaching tours. In the online education world, one course launch can generate 6 or 7 figures in days. With a global purchasing audience, many digital marketing analysts believe her business earns far beyond regular AdSense YouTube money. This is why thousands online confidently label her as the richest Jamaican woman on YouTube. What makes her well different is this: she does not flaunt luxury cars weekly, post mansion tours for clout, engage in online money wars, or chase trending scandals. Her brand is corporate, educational, global, and system-driven. This is what many call boardroom money, not street money. With massive wealth claims come massive controversy. Across comment sections, forums, and social media, some critics claim her make money online methods do not work for everyone. Some people say they tried and failed. Others allege expectations were too high. Some claim they didn't earn back what they invested. But supporters argue strongly. Online businesses require skill, patience, and discipline. Not everyone applies a full strategy. Many fail because they quit early, and some expect instant overnight money. This is a hard truth about online entrepreneurship. The same system that makes one person rich can leave another frustrated. Digital wealth is performance-based, not guaranteed. Despite the criticism, despite debates, despite skeptics, one fact remains unchanged. Her platform continues to grow. Her programs continue to sell. Her audience continues to pay. Her brand continues to expand internationally. And in the business world, cash flow speaks louder than comments. Odetta Rockhead-Kerr stands today as one of the most financially powerful Jamaican women in the digital education space. To her supporters, she is proof that knowledge is the new oil. To her critics, she's a symbol of a system they believe failed them. To the internet, she's one of the most talked about money educators linked to Jamaica today. Richest or not, her impact is undeniable. This is CCNWORL TV News.